In this video, I'm going to show you how to use shapes and how to see shapes in the portrait and the figure. So today we've got the lovely Annie helping us with this video on how to see shapes. So if you're setting up your own portrait, keep shapes in mind. Here I've got 3 lighting situations that work quite well in the portrait. We've got top-down light, which is very flattering on most people. Bottom-up light, which can give a sense of foreboding. And finally the classic, the Rembrandt light, because it has a very distinctive triangular shape on the side of the nose and the cheekbone that you can see in many Rembrandts. You want to set up your model in a way that helps you see the shapes. And as you can see, about 1/3 of shadow is perfect. But you don't want to have a flat light or a very dark light, because that actually makes the drawing flat again. If you enjoyed this video, do have a look at our other short and long drawing tutorial videos.